My grandpa is not grumpy. Your child will love this hilarious and sweet story of a little girl who is trying to convince us that her grandpa is not grumpy. She describes the challenges that her grandpa has that will produce lots of giggles from children and parents alike. She also talks about all the special times she and her grandpa share. If your child is a grandpa, grumpy or not, they will learn how to be more understanding as well as be encouraged to enjoy their special times together. Find out if the little girl is able to convince us that her grandpa is not grumpy. Beautiful illustrations make this sweet story come alive. My Grandpa is Not Grumpy by Callie Mayer, illustrated by Mindy Liang. Available from Amazon, and get a free Kindle version when you order your copy today. And visit the author online.